A little video, all right?
Yeah, sure.
So, hey, how you guys doing? We're here in the VR section that you guys see. I'm going to show you guys a little bit, but guess what's here, guys? One of my favorite VR ballers. I started doing VR because of this guy.
Wow.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Thanks, Francisco.
To be honest with you, it made my whole entire show. I didn't see anybody I was interested but this guy. I'm not lying.
I feel blushed right now. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, no, I know. Yeah, that's the thing. I know something of this little differences. So, especially since you're familiar with it.
Yeah, I'm still using the old X52.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Oh yeah, no, absolutely. Every old and new. All of it. The Purple, Thrustmaster, Turtle Beach, Saytech, Logitech, anybody else. Honeycombs, Redbird, Real Sim Gear. We're all.
It's awesome. For something that small, it's honestly amazing. Yeah. It's like, I think it's... What? Well, the only reason I miss my...
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.